Hey guys, OzGorillas here, and today we're going to talk about how to get to your first 10 viewers on Twitch. Let's do it. Alright guys, first things first, a few things about myself. My name is OzGorillas. I do streaming tutorial videos on this channel with topics such as Streamlabs OBS, Twitch and OBS, as well as videos on how to grow your following on different social media platforms. I stream over on Twitch, so if you wanted somewhere to hang out or ask more questions, feel free to follow me on there. My link is below. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel as we got plenty of content here which you may enjoy. Let's get to the video. Alright, so what we're doing is looking at techniques to get those first 10 viewers for your Twitch, and the techniques here are going to be vastly different from what you need to get from 10 higher. Step 1, which I'm sure you've heard before, so we're going to go over it quickly, is you can be your first viewer. Bring up your stream as you're streaming on your phone or tablet or on another computer, just to get you at 1. That's going to make you hundreds higher on the list depending on what game you play than someone with 0. Being your first viewer is a huge step. Step 2 is join a streamer community. Go on Facebook, join a streaming community Discord, join Twitter, start following people with a big streaming community and join that community. I don't mean just join them and then drop your link and that counts as joining a community, because it doesn't. Actually engage with people and go into their streams and chat with them as well, get to know them and chat with their fellow viewers and them themselves. Even start playing the same games with these streamers if they allow you to, or they're playing a multiplayer game. This can also help build that relationship. Obviously don't do it with people that you don't enjoy watching or you're not actually going to be friends with, as obviously it's going to seem massively fake and you don't want to do it just for those reasons. And if you're live while you are playing with them, you can ask them if they wouldn't mind bringing you up on their computer or tablet or phone or whatever as well, just to get that extra viewer there. Also, just saying, I'm a co-owner of a streaming community Discord. We have over 300 members and we try to help build everyone up and grow together there. So the link will be below. Feel free to join that Discord. And we also have a base set of free emotes there as well. Check out this video which goes over ways you can get access to those emotes as well by joining this Discord. And yeah. Alright, so step 3. So having yourself and the people you're playing with in your stream is going to be helpful. You may have 1 or 2 from Facebook, a couple from Discord and a couple from Twitter. But remember, you're just starting out, so don't expect immediate results with these actions as well. It's going to take a little bit of time. So you're probably averaging about 5 or 6 or 7 viewers by now, sometimes more, sometimes less. And now it's time to try and get family and friends involved. Only tell people that you trust about this and those that you think that would help, as I know it can make you very anxious to tell loved ones about your stream, especially if you're sitting on very low viewers and you don't want to be embarrassed. That was my main reason for picking Twitch over Facebook gaming early on, as I hit Twitch affiliate and Facebook level up at about the same time. This will get you a few more people in, and you should be around the 10 mark now, if not higher, depending on how much of step 2 that you implemented. Now, I understand this step with friends and family may not be possible for many people, and if this is the case, use step 2 primarily and do it properly. And then you will get your way to the 10 viewers. With these 3 steps, you'll be hitting around that 10 mark pretty easily. Going above 10 with these techniques is possible, but it is hard to maintain, especially if you're at school or working full-time like myself. You're not going to have the time to connect and talk to 75 different people who stream themselves just by hanging out in their streams and Discord without investing huge amounts of time into it. And even if you do it to 75 people and you have 75 new friends who are willing to come in, are they all going to be able to come in at the same time as well? You'll need to bring in viewers from elsewhere to get above that 10 mark. Even if you have the best stream setup and personality, there's no guarantee that you are going to be hitting it big time once you hit those 10 viewers. You still need to be found to get that growth. And you will need a whole new fresh set of techniques to get you well above that 10 mark. I will be recording some videos about how to do this in the future, but in the meantime, check out this video about which game you should stream, which maximizes your growth and discoverability. It'll be above. And if you're looking at branching out into other social media platforms to bring viewers from there to your Twitch, specifically YouTube, check out this video here, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and it will give you a bit of a start into how to do that. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like, share it to your friends who are struggling to get to that 10 viewer mark. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel. Everything is appreciated. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.